Hi everyone, welcome back. Here we are at COSI in Columbus, Ohio. Now, COSI stands for Center of Science and Industry. It is an interactive science center for learning and education for all age groups. In our previous video, number 181, we saw the visiting and soon departing Titanic exhibition. Today we will continue seeing the rest of COSI, and we will start here at the American Museum of Natural History Dinosaur Gallery.
Head deformed, like, you know, the right side is...
Here's the next one. My brother's fitting it in there. It's all right. Everyone, stand over there real quick. So there's the size. This one's in Texas. Texas on the board. Those are the dinosaur tracks.
They're there to keep you and the exhibit safe, right? This way.
Big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder.
I thought they were like this one. It is the alien thing.
What is this one? Popular Stegosaurus.
Okay, this is Pachycephalus. The other one. And yells all the time.
That is a fuzzy dinosaur, guys. There's a rat right there. Big. There's a bee. Caterpillar. That's my brother right there, walking past the wall. And then there's this guy.
And preferences change with time. Has the color you just chose always been your favorite?
Go forward, I guess. Nothing.
OHIO. Football season's about to start. And a lot of polls that have the Buckeyes winning it all this year. So we'll see. There's a pretty cool display. A lot of red. It says red dye has been rare, costly and painstaking to produce for most of history. And that's why in the past, only people of high status could afford to wear the red clothing.
That is all red.
The display of the color palette of humanity. All different shades, all different creeds, all different types of culture, all human beings. Guys, I think we're gonna get something to eat here at the Atomic Cafe. Yep. Alright guys, here we are having lunch at the Atomic Cafe at COSI. I got a turkey club and some soup. My brother got sriracha mac and cheese and some breadsticks. And some chicken. How much was this, Ramon?
40
This was $40
something.
for lunch here at COSI. They got burgers and pizza and all that too, so. They have a little outside. Ooh, it's hot out here. They have a little outside area here where you can eat. Here's the other side of COSI. little stage area right here. Looks like they got some music going on later. The skyline right there. Look at this car. It's a beautiful car. It's a Thunderbird. Tell you what, guys, white wall tires will never ever go out of style.
Let's go find a pot.
Oh no.
Let's go for the stone.
You guys going down in that?
Oh, you got it? The lights?
Could go up and yeah, go down more.
Shortly after my mission began, a more capable sub-commander showed up, and I, of course, after giving a few lessons, went ahead and relinquished the helm. A little area here called the lily pad, all for sitting down and learning about stuff. Outside they had a space for more science experiments, including this one. I think this one's with sound. Now this one was very popular, lifting a car up and down. I actually went ahead and gave this a try myself. Here you can do that.
Forget it.
Alright guys, when you guys come here, just like an amusement park, if you need to put away any stuff, any items that you don't want to carry around, you can get a locker here. It is 4 quarters, so you need 4 quarters to get your locker. Space station. There's a thing you control buggies. They have little simulators here for controlling the different space things. That one's for the Mars lander. He's controlling. Here we are in the COSI store. Where you can get all your souvenirs and stuff. What's back there? Oh, I think that's the... How much the t-shirt costs? $24.99 for a t-shirt. Oh, look at these little cool Space Commander suits. Your kids can wear that for Halloween. It's a Halloween idea for you guys. Your kid can be a NASA commander. So that was COSI here in Columbus, Ohio. Enjoyed the Titanic exhibit, which will be leaving this Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for coming along. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.